so I found where I'm planting myself for the day. I found a umbrella, everything. Look at this.
Belize sand is coarse, isn't it?
It is.
What do you want
I was gonna see if you could like fix it. Like I know you always like fix it and make it work.
To get all of it?
Yeah. So we've been laying on the beach for a while, but now there's a wildlife experience that's included. So we thought might as well come check it out. Mom and I love all the animals. We'll see.
And a ready, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Here's 1, I'll take 1 more. There you go.
Thank you. Can I do the same for you guys?
Hey guys, so we had a fabulous day today. It was so much fun. We just laid on the beach today, got a little tan. But now, I know the vlog footage has kind of been sparse, but now we're going to dinner at Cagney's, and then we'll probably go meet up with some people. I don't know what we'll do tonight, so probably this is going to kind of be like the end of the vlog. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we are going to go hold sloths and monkeys, and oh, it's going to be so fun. So, see you guys tomorrow. Honduras. So today we're in Honduras and we are going to see monkeys and sloths and all of the above. So I'm so excited. Y'all know how much I love sloths. Little recap from last night. I got a little footage for you guys, but I'm really excited about today. We're gonna get some breakfast and look how cute this is here. This has been like the most mountainous that we've had on this cruise, but yeah, we'll see what we can get into today. See if we see any Jersey boys around here today. And it's going to be a good day. I hope y'all enjoyed that footage from last night. Kind of funny. Okay, so when we signed up for this whole tour, I really didn't know what we were in for. I didn't know about all this, but so it turns out we have a driver for the whole day, and he stops and like lets us see all the cool places, which is so cool, and you cannot get that on any sort of like excursion that we go on the boat. So I'll try to find the link to this excursion if y'all are out here. It's super cool. So, we're stopping at a chocolate factory now on the west side of the island.
Natural. So this is called cocoa liqueur. Yeah.
So we're at the chocolate factory. The chocolate factory is super cool. Everyone says they have like chocolate factories, but this one is like an all-natural one. It's super cool. We got to go see a whole demonstration and everything. But now we're looking at all the stuff. Look at all the different kinds of chocolate. There's so many different kinds for us to try. I think he told us it was 14 different kinds. So.
But there's this one here. There's no line here.
So now he brought us to a beach. Super nice. It reminds me of the Costa Maya beach. We love the Costa Maya beach. So here we go.
The best pizza on the island.
Our guide just got us a coconut. How sweet is that? Wow.
Pretty cool.
Oh,
So now what you're seeing in the holding, this is a 3-toed sloth. They are very harmless. They sleep 20 hours a day and only use the bathroom once a week.
so sweet.
Such a small.
Hi.
Hi.
Ronnie.
Oh, you uses his tail to wrap around your neck.
He wants to go through your pockets.
Just like you said.
They'll
Nothing
go
in there.
pockets. There's nothing in them.
Ronnie.
Come here. Here we go. Oh, no, he just wants you.
Just let him climb.
He's like, oh, I don't find any.
Let him do what they
Don't
want.
find any bugs.
Hi.
It's so sweet.
Alright, is there?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Oh, noises they make are
I
so
know.
Tommy?
Take some pictures now, Mama. They go
It's
quick.
his tail.
Yeah, he wraps it up, doesn't he?
Sammy.
Sammy. You're so sweet, Sammy.
Hi, Sammy.
Sammy and
So pretty.
this is Clyde.
Why?
Yeah, it is.
Alright guys, so I wanted to give like a little review of this place. This place is absolutely amazing. Like we got to do sloths and birds and monkeys and see a couple other different animals that are native to here. Literally so cool. I'm going to leave the link to this place down in the description because of how amazing this was and how y'all need to do this tour. I mean I can't really speak for the cruise tour, but this was such a great price. Was it $40 per person? $40 per person. We got our own guide, took us here, took us all around the island. It was in a great car, and then we came here, and it has just been an absolutely amazing day. So I will definitely leave the link in the description because this is where you guys need to come if you were coming to Honduras. I've decided to plant myself this afternoon. About to pull out of port. Oh goodness, you guys can see that. Now we're about to pull out and go for our at-sea day tomorrow, which should be fun.
It's the party you've been waiting for! This is Sloths!
So, today was our last day at sea. It was our last day until we get back to Miami tomorrow, and so I just decided to not really take the camera much with me today. I originally planned on vlogging with Nate and Brendan, but honestly, we sat in the hot tub all day long in the pool, so like there's not much to vlog there. We took some pictures and stuff. If y'all want to check all that stuff out on Instagram. But we just kind of like spent time together on the last day, which was really nice. But now I'm headed to dinner. So this is probably going to be the end of the vlogs. So unless I get some any crazy footage tonight, which a lot of crazy stuff happened. I literally look naked, but a lot of crazy stuff happened last night at the party. So we went to the glow party, which was great. But a lot of things happened. First, a man literally fell in front of me and his leg was gushing blood. So, had to take care of that. And then, we went to the after party and there was like a fight and lots of things went on last night. It was a very wild night, but I did get as much footage as I could, and so I hope you guys enjoyed that. And so yeah, I'm gonna get going because I've been rambling for a long time and this vlog is gonna be super long and you guys don't really care to hear me ramble. So, thank you guys for watching the cruise vlogs. Thank you so much for everything. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next week with another video.